Here is a honey lime chicken and veggies, a healthy recipe for your dinner. Let's use little foil packets for each portion so you don't need to wash a ton of dishes. You can cook any seasonal vegetable you have. I have zucchini, eggplants, and asparagus. Take 400 grams chicken breast fillets and cut them into small pieces. Also, slice zucchini and eggplants into pieces about 1 centimeter thin. Chop finely the onion. Cut the woody stems of the asparagus spears. Grate 3 garlic cloves and ginger with a grater. In a small bowl, stir together 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, 50 grams butter, garlic and ginger. Add lime zest. Season it with cumin and sweet paprika. Now, let's build foil packets. Add olive oil at the bottom of each. Divide the asparagus, chicken, and vegetables among the packets. Brush with the honey ginger sauce. Add onions and fold the foil over the food. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius and cook the packets until the chicken is cooked for 20 to 25 minutes. Honey lime chicken and veggies is a perfectly nutritious dinner that I feel great about feeding my family. Subscribe to my channel and let's try out new, easy recipes together.